No, no, no! Wrong again!
Cherry? Sweetie, are you still awake? It's almost midnight. You've been studying for 4 hours straight. Please, take a break.
I can't stop. Every time I stop, I forget everything. I'm so stupid.
Look at me, Cherry. Your hands are shaking. Your breathing is very fast.
No, I destroyed it. I ruined everything. I'm such a failure. I can't do anything right.
Oh, my sweet girl. You are not a failure. You are exhausted. There's a big difference. Listen to me. Tomorrow, we're going to do something completely different. No homework, no studying. Just you and me.
What? What do you mean?
We're going to the mountain. We'll walk slowly. We'll breathe. And we'll give your mind a real rest.
Mommy, where are you going? Can I come too?
Cherry and I are going to the mountain today, Felix. Just the two of us this time.
But I want to see the mountain. I want to climb.
Hey buddy, how about you and I build that Lego castle today? Just us guys.
The big castle with the dragon?
The biggest castle ever, and we'll make 2 dragons.
Good morning.
Cherry, your eyes are red. Did you cry?
I'm okay, Felix. Just tired.
Have a wonderful time with Mum today, sweetheart. The mountain will help you feel better.
Feel the fresh air, Cherry. Listen to the birds singing. Can you hear them?
I hear them. Can we walk faster? I want to reach the top.
Cherry, slow down. This isn't a race. We have all day. Sweetie, this isn't a test. There's nothing to prove here.
But I need to. I need to be good at something.
You are already good at so many things. Please, just enjoy this moment.
I'm fine, Mum. I just need to keep going. Whoa! Whoa!
I've got you. I've got you. Hold on tight.
Mum, don't let go. Please don't let go.
I will never let go. You're safe now. You're safe.
I almost fell.
You're okay. You're okay now. I've got you.
Even the mountain hates me. I can't even walk right. I ruin everything.
The mountain doesn't hate you, baby. You were just going too fast. You were running from your feelings.
Everything I touch breaks. Everything I do is wrong.
That's not true. And I'm going to tell you a secret about me. Something I never told you before.
What secret?
When I was your age, I failed my math test. Not once, 5 times in a row.
You? But you're so smart.
I felt exactly like you feel now. Stupid, broken, like I would never get it right.
What happened? How did you get better?
My mom took me to a place like this, and she taught me something important. She said, "Look at the trees. Some are broken. Some fell down. But the forest is still beautiful." And then she said, "You don't have to be perfect to be worthy of love."
Really?
Really. Mistakes don't make you broken, Cherry. They make you human.
Oh my. Is everyone all right? I heard someone shout.
We're okay now. She slipped, but she's safe.
Mountain paths are tricky. They teach us to slow down and pay attention.
I was going too fast. I wasn't looking.
Fast is not always better. Slow is how we see the real beauty around us. Look at this. What do you see?
It's a leaf, but it has holes and tears. It's broken.
Yes, it was stepped on, damaged by wind and rain. But now, look how the light shines through.
It's beautiful.
Broken things can be the most beautiful because they let the light through. This is for you, young one.
For me? Really?
To remind you, you don't have to be perfect to shine. Your cracks let the light in.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
I tried so hard to be perfect every day, but something inside me slowly broke away. I stayed up late, I erased every line. I thought I had to always be just fine. I ran so fast, I forgot how to see the beauty that was always inside me. And someone held a broken leaf up to the sun and showed me something I had never known before. I'm not undone. I don't have to be perfect. I don't have to be whole. The pieces that are missing tell the story of my soul. Love finds me just the way I am, and that makes me grow. My cracks let the light in. My falls help me rise. Every little mistake is a part of my life. My cracks let the light in. I shine, I am enough. I am loved, I am learning, and that is enough. I don't have to be perfect to shine. The light is already mine.
Come sit with me. I want to teach you something my mom taught me.
What is it?
When I feel scared or angry or worried, I come to places like this. I close my eyes and breathe.
Does it really help?
It does. It makes the big problems feel smaller. It makes my heart quieter.
Like this?
Yes. Now, breathe in slowly through your nose. Hold it. And breathe out through your mouth.
I can feel the wind on my face. It's gentle.
Listen to the leaves. Feel the sun. You are part of this mountain. You are safe. You are enough.
I feel lighter, like something heavy left my chest.
That's what peace feels like, baby. And you can find it anytime you need it.
Mom, can I ask you something? Do you still love me even when I mess things up?
I love you especially when you mess things up. Because that's when you need love the most.
Thank you, Mom, for bringing me here, for saving me.
I will always catch you when you fall. Always.
Cherry, look, we built 2 dragons and a castle.
Wow, Felix, they're amazing. Can I see?
What happened to your knee? Did you get a boo-boo?
I fell down. but I got something beautiful from it. See?
It's so pretty. The light goes through the holes.
Welcome home, mountain climbers. I made celebration pancakes.
Thanks, Dad. I really missed you.
I missed you too, sweetheart. How do you feel?
Better, different, like something changed inside me.
Cherry learned something very important today. She learned that broken things can still be beautiful.
I'm going to put this next to my desk to remember.
A toast to broken things that become beautiful.
To mistakes that teach
Tried
us.
so
To
hard to be
pancakes.
perfect every day.
To being okay even when things go wrong, and to knowing I'm loved no matter what.
Today, our family learned something important. When we feel too much pressure, we need to slow down and breathe. Cherry learned words like mistake, broken, beautiful, breathe, and enough. She also learned that it's okay to say, I messed up, or I need help. These are honest, brave words. And we discovered that nature can help us find peace when our minds are too busy. Remember, you don't have to be perfect to be worthy of love. Your cracks let the light through. If this story helped you today, please subscribe to our channel. Share it with someone who needs this message. Thank you for learning with our family. We'll see you next time.